How to make intros with KineMaster. Welcome back in another video, guys, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your YouTube intro with KineMaster. So make sure you subscribe and turn the notification on.
Step 1.
Choose a background.
Step 2.
Add a layer.
Step 3.
Rotate it.
Step 4.
Just do what I am doing, and after you get this trick, you can modify it in whatever way you want. I will put the complete results in the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end.
And make sure to like this video before you leave.
You can choose any color for the background or for the layer. Just make sure the background isn't too long or too short.
Step 5.
Add the second layer. I have made one more video for the easy YouTube intros, so make sure to check the link in the description box below.
Step 6.
The last layer.
The last step.
Add some music and effects to your intro.